Mina bafethu angibazi ububi basiyacela nobuhle bakhe ngingakashadi naye. Zonke izinto ngiyibone sengisemshadweni. Cabanga nawe kuwena. Kuwena umuntu ubungambona ubungazi ngisho ihagi yakhe ngisho ini ngisho ukhisi wakhe. Ukhisi wakhe uzowazi usushadile. Cabanga iba senyaweni zami before ungijaje. Before ungijaje cabanga ukuthi ungcono umuntu uma ujola naye. Uyazi ukuthi niyajola uyakwazi mawucasukile mina siyacela bengamazi ucasukile nami ubengangazi ngicasukile ngize ngakubona sengishadile anganoma niyangizwa yini ngize ngakubona
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Asikhulume with Purif. Today is your first time visiting this channel. Please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Uthando beka aku live kesana laphayana ku Instagram and ukhulume ngezinto letiningi Nkosi yami. People were asking her about uSiyaqela. Nathina siyaqela bekangamati kokuthi umuntu lenjani. People must stop judging her because bekangamati. Siyaqela ikhisi yakhe uqale kuyiva sebashadile. Siyacela qaso wakhe uqale kubona sebashadile bekangamati ukuthi umuntu lonjani. People were busy saying ukuthi hey girl baleka phela nawe awuphume kule relationship nisashadile na, and ugirl nje bekabhizi athi bantu nje abahlukane nabekele kumjaja wena ukuthi uSiyaqela and uThando bashada bana 16 kani abantu abaningi beba against umshado wabo because they were saying ukuthi basesebancane, they were still in school, and uSiyaqela walojolelwa uThando ke sana lojolelwa ngibaba wakhe avatselele uSiyaqela ngase umuntu ngambona mlutselela nakangaka utselela everyone actually utselela everyone akatselela Thando kuphela utselela everyone. People were saying ukuthi girl phuma wena kulo muntu lona usahlaleleni wow vele uphume avukulo waphuma kulo muntu lona, and bonke abantu nje bathi hayi kodwa nawe Thando hayi umalume usingile ya some saying ukuthi baleka nawe, some saying ukuthi labe about ama views shema ukuthi ama views akhe maningi, but bana baningi nje balokhu bam advise ukuthi girl phuma nje kule relationship. Please subscribe, share this video, comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out, so goodbye.